classes. Now I am providing you a combined video so that you can revise the topics which we have previously discussed. So, as we discussed, there are three states of matter. First is the solid states, second one is the liquid, and third one is gaseous. Okay, so the property of the solid state is that the solid state have distinct boundaries, fixed volume, definite shape. They have negligible compressibility because they are hard and rigid. Okay, because they have strong force of attraction between the atoms and molecules. They are non-compressible because they are closely packed, and there is less space between the particles or atom. Solids can be break under force. Okay, so they are rigid. On moving the liquid state, the liquid have no fixed shape but have fixed volume. Why have fixed volume? Because we can put it in a container, so it can get the shape of container also, and we can determine the volume also. The particles are not so strongly bonded as in solid state, but they have a weak force of attraction. The intermolecular species is high than the solid state in liquids. Okay, the diffusion power of solid is less in comparison of liquid, as the definition of diffusion is it is the mixing of states. Okay, so you can say the water having different type of gases which are mixed in it. Due to that, the aquatic animals and plants can survive. Okay, so this is the application of diffusion. On moving to the gaseous state, the particles are far away because they have negligible force of attraction. There is so much distance between them. Particles are freely to move, and that is why they can easily transport also. So you can say the gaseous state have special characteristics to transport. For that, nowadays we are using CNG and LPG. The full form of LPG is liquid petroleum gas, and the CNG is compressed natural gas. So my dear students, I hope you can get a full idea of differentiate between all the three states of matter. Now we will move into the another portion of this chapter, as we discussed about the melting point. So the definition of melting point is that the temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at atmospheric pressure is called melting point. So a question arises in our mind that what a melting point tells. So the melting point indicates about the strength of force of attraction between the particles. It means if there is solid